The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cameron County in deep South Texas, southern Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging 60 miles per hour winds, 5 miles north of Harlingen Valley Airport, moving south-southeast at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Santa Monica, Combs, Palm Valley, Harlingen Valley International Airport, Harlingen, San Benito, Rio Hondo, Primera, Los Fresnos. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Move to a place of safety, an interior room in the lowest floor of your house or business. Please report tornadoes or funnel clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432. At 5:40 p.m.